All right, let's get into a simple change that could totally blow up your channel.
So you're putting out great content, but the views? Not so great. What's really going on?
Think about it. Your video is right next to one from a huge channel. That's a tough spot to be in.
And let's be real, most people just click on the video with way more views.
But what if you could flip this whole thing around? The secret is all about who you're targeting.
Okay, so we're not even going to worry about Group 1. Our whole plan is to go after Group 2.
The real question is, how do you make a video that Group 2 absolutely has to click on?
And that's where the How I effect comes in. It's designed to connect with that exact audience.
This quote nails it. You're not competing with them. Being new is actually your biggest advantage.
It basically tells viewers, hey, this is a real story from someone just like you.
Okay, but does this stuff actually work? Oh yeah, let's look at the proof.
Take Uncomfy. She was struggling. Then one How I video went viral and changed everything.
Or Tatiana. She used this on a brand new channel and saw this massive spike in subs.
And for the creator who came up with this, it got them to their first 1,000 subscribers.
And check this out. The growth was super fast, but also built a real community.
So you're probably wondering how you can do this too. Well, let's get into the step-by-step plan.
It really just boils down to these 3 simple steps. Get these right and you're golden.
First, think about your own journey. What's a story or struggle you've had that's really relatable?
Next up, the title. It's your hook. It has to scream, this is a personal, can't-miss story.
And finally, be you. Don't act like some expert. Your realness is literally your superpower.
So think about it. What is the How I story that only you can tell?